Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mobile Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. So this week I want to talk to you guys about how to make it a little bit easier to bring your cats into the clinic. What we've been seeing over the years is that a lot of people kind of neglect the health care on the pets, on the cats specifically, because it's extremely stressful to bring them into the clinic. And we want to try to make that a little bit less stressful so that your kitties can get the same care that the dogs get as well. So basically, the first thing is getting them used to the kennel or the carrier that you're going to bring them in. I don't recommend bringing them without a carrier. Unfortunately, we have had some cats get scared in the parking lot going into the clinic and run away, get loose from the owner and run away. And that's a horrible, devastating thing. So if your cat is leash trained, great. Put them on a harness, make sure it's snug where they can't pull out of it, and you can keep them on a leash. But for 99% of the cats, they do need to be in a carrier. Getting them used to the carrier takes a little bit of time. Basically, what you need to do is have a carrier that's big enough and comfortable enough for them. Put a nice, comfy towel in there. Please don't transport them without a towel. A lot of cats get scared in the transportation and they'll pee on themselves. And if there's no towel to soak that up, then they get the urine all over themselves, and that's upsetting to everyone. So make sure you put a nice comfy towel in there, a little blanket. You can also put an old t-shirt of your own in there to make it have a comfortable smell. There's also pheromones sprays that you can buy at the pet stores, so you can spray the area around the kennel and the kennel with a pheromone, and that will help calm them and make them feel a little bit more comfortable. And just set the kennel in a comfortable spot where maybe you guys hang out quite a bit, maybe it's the living room or something, and leave the door open. Do this for a couple of weeks. Put a little snack in there, a little treat, and every time they go in there, praise them, give them love, give them pets, and make it a comfortable and happy experience that they can have. And you can just put one little treat in there every day. It doesn't need to be a bunch, but just have them coming in and out. And that way, when it's time for them to be in a carrier, they're not freaking out and really stressed. The pheromones work great. You can also bring the pheromone spray with you, and we can spray our exam room or the exam table with that. We can also put a nice warm towel on the exam table to make them want to come out a little bit easier. So those are a couple of tips that I have. There's probably lots of other things as well. If you guys have interesting tips, go ahead and respond and give us some ideas so that everybody is sharing and we all can see what works for other people. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call. And please remember that your kitties definitely need their preventative care as well. And cats need dental cleanings every year, very important. Their teeth are much more different than other species, and it's really important that they get that care. Have a great week. Bye-bye.